It's Lupe again here with Porsche in Colorado Springs. Here is the 2024 GT3 RS tribute to the Carrera RS. This one just got here. Our service team has to do this heat peel inspection and get it all up to date. Our detail team has yet to clean it. I just did a quick wash on that, so you see some water dripping off. I just wanted to get us a better video, nothing to worry about. So this will be certified once it's all done through the workshop. Along the inside, let's have a quick look. I noticed this one is currently sitting at 1,120 miles. A touch more on the interior in just one moment. Let's go around the front and have a closer look at this. There is paint protective film on the whole front end. All of the bumper, the entire hood, and all of the fenders right there. I did see a tiny little blemish down here on the paint protective film, but the important part is the underside has all been protected. Let's go around the front and have a closer look at this. I like to inspect the underside just like the other one. I like to make sure there's no scuffing or any marks under here, and it appears to be all smooth. This does have front axle lift, and the tribute to the Carreras are quite unique. 150 of these made, all shipped into the US. That's why there's a little flag back over here. On this side, I wanted to take a closer look at the paint protective film on the fender. Another little blemish right here on that. We'll get those fixed so that it looks way better than it does. But over here on this side, it looks to be really clean and clear, especially on this area over here. This tends to be a high impact zone, but this appears to be holding up really great. Maybe a little spot or two right there. And over here on this side, there's paint protective film on the underside as well, which is great to see. Just a little bit of dirt. I missed a spot or two, but this part appears to be pretty good. Along the back, let's have a closer look. We have the exclusive design tail lights, green on the Porsche on the wing. That all looks great. And let's have a closer look at this side over here as well. I like to inspect these high impact zones. A couple little spots that are cleaning up. Here's a little spot that made contact outside of the stone guard. And here on this area, a couple spots I missed under there. But this appears to be in pretty good condition along the inside. So this car does come with the box, just like the other one. You get the watch, the keys, the model, and the car cover. Green stitching along the inside, just like the other one. Wow, look at this. Love these cars. Green on the headrest right there. These are the carbon fiber bucket seats. Got a button to go up, down, and the little lever to move them back and forward. Along the inside, let's see, currently sitting at 1,120 miles, and let's get it started. Look at that, nice. We do have the window sticker that is laminated, and keys, one of two. The other one's inside with the owner's manual. I hope this video helps. Please give me a call when you have a moment. I'd love to discuss this further and get it secured for you. My cell phone number is 719-761-7550. Bye-bye.